Now, when we talk about the pricing, there is always a different kind of pricing you can hear from the market. When you are looking for such kind of ERP system, you think that, okay, what will be the pricing? First thing comes into your mind, what kind of investment you will require, what kind of financial capability you will require to afford such kind of platform. And right now, because of the pandemic, a lot of people who were working offline are very much keen to online. That is most important. Your presence online is most important nowadays. So looking at all these scenarios and different kind of pricing models proposed by different people around the world, we have come up. We wanted to simplify this, and that's where we have come up with the new pricing model, which is very simple to understand, very affordable, and at the same time, you don't have to think what will be your maintenance fee, what will be your upfront fee, what how you are going to get your investment. All these worries are completely taken care by our new pricing. Yeah, so this is our new pricing plan. The pricing plan name we have given as Otrams Go. The specific meaning of go is, just start your business, just go for the for online system. Don't worry about investment, don't worry about what you have to pay upfront, don't worry about anything. Everything is available. You don't have need any kind of investment. We are not restricting anyone to use any part of the system. uh, Talking about that, the system of Otrams is completely open. You don't have to think that what supplier you will need, what service you will need, and if you want to add any supplier, how much cost it will be, and when you can add. All these questions are answered by us. Everything is there. All the suppliers which are published on our website available for this plan. All the modules are available. All the services, flights, hotels, transfers, activities, everything is available and integrated into the system. You just go to the supplier, sign up your agreement, contract, give us the API credential, and it will be, the system will be configured. This is how you can just go and start your business, just go online. And that's how we have named it as a Otrams Go. You are free to monetize in every channel we spoke about. There is no restriction about only going for B2B or B2C, or not redistributing your content through API, not using mobile application. Everything is open. Whatever you want, or whatever you want to start with, just start with. Later on also, if you want to add anything, it is already available with you. You just have to tell us that, okay, enable this, it will be enabled, and without any cost. So this is how we have not kept any kind of restrictions, no limitation on using the platform. You will also get 3 GSA and white label. So up to 3 GSA or white label can be configured with the system. Let's say some of your agent comes and say, okay, I want to have my branding on the same system. You can just start white label today. So absolutely no restriction on giving the white label, or no second thought on opening up any channel in front of the world for your business. When do you pay? So of course, the question comes in mind that, okay, you are giving everything, you are opening everything, when exactly I will pay, how you will earn? So this is how we are going to do. No upfront investment, as I said, but when you earn, you pay. Only when you earn, you pay. If you are not earning for a particular month, you are not going to pay a single dollar to us. And that's how it is. Quite simple. You know what you have earned, and out of that, we are just asking for 1.5% of your total transaction amount. This is very simple and very affordable cost we have calculated with lot of scenarios, and this is definitely going to help people who wants to go online, who wants to start their business and just grow in the travel industry. Uh, we are not, as I said, there is no upfront cost, no setup cost, no annual fees. Of course, when when you hear such kind of plan, there is always asterisks. and which says, okay, terms and conditions apply, some cost is applied. But here we are upfront coming to you and saying that there is no setup cost, no annual fees, no monthly maintenance fees, no supplier integration fees from our side, no upgrade charges. If you want to start new channel, if you want to start new supplier, just give us the credential and start. Everything is available. It is extremely simple to run your business and very easy to go for it. So the plan is very simple, but I would like to take an example to explain you how this entire thing is going to work. And this is a very simple example. Let's say you are a travel company and you want to launch your system with two monetization channels, which is B2B and B2C. You want to have three services: hotel, transfers, and activities. Combining all these three services, you want to have total of 10 suppliers. You want to give to white label to your agents, and you want to redistribute the hotel inventories to one customer. All these, including this, if you go today, that approximately on an average, the price is approximately around $1,500 of fixed charges, and there is a transaction charges also. Some people are applying on each and every booking you post on the system, and a setup fee of somewhere around 20,000 USD. So if we talk about a normal pricing, this is what you have to pay without knowing that how your business will run, what kind of benefit you will get, and what kind of revenue or transaction you are going to get on the platform. We are removing all these things altogether. So for example, with the kind of system I have explained, you are making a monthly total transaction or total value of 50,000 USD. Our invoice out of this will be 750 USD only. So in a month, when you are doing a $50,000 business, we are asking only for 750 USD. No other cost, zero setup cost, zero maintenance, zero annual charge, and no other hidden charges. Only $750. So you are also aware what we are going to charge. We are also aware at the end of the month what we are going to charge. All these features which you were looking here and there about Utram system, everything is available with you. You can just start your business and start earning from the system. And all these coming from the system only. So let's say whatever you earn on the system, it is there on the system, and based on that, the automated invoice will be created. In this example, if you make 50,000 USD of business in a month, automated invoice of 750 USD will be generated and send it to you on your registered email ID, and you just have to pay through very simple methods.